Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Authy backup and device changes, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Authy backup and device changes, start by opening the Authy app on your primary device. Log in using your registered phone number. If prompted, enter your two-factor authentication code to access your account. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu located in the bottom navigation bar. In the Settings menu, find and select the Account option. Here, you should see an option for Backup. Tap on it to access your backup settings. Make sure that the backup feature is enabled. You should see the date of your last backup displayed. To verify your backup, click on the option to restore from backup. Follow the prompts to enter your backup password. Once entered, confirm your backup restoration. Next, to check device changes, navigate back to the Settings menu. Select the Devices option to view linked devices. You will see a list of devices currently authorized. If you need to add a new device, click on the Add Device button. Follow the instructions to authenticate your new device. Make sure to authorize any pending device requests if necessary. Review your device list to ensure all devices match your current setup. If you need to remove an old or unauthorized device, select the device and choose the option to delete. Finally, ensure that you log out of any devices that you no longer use. This ensures your account remains secure. You have now verified your Authy backup and device changes successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.